Hi, my name is Rob Warren with the IBM Cloud VMware team. In this video, we'll have a demonstration of how to get started with IBM Cloud VMware as a Service, the new IBM-managed single-tenant VMware platform for running VMware workloads. Sign up or log in to your IBM Cloud account and navigate to VMware as a Service, where you can select to create a VMware as a Service instance. Be sure your account is upgraded to either a pay-as-you-go or subscription account before proceeding. By creating a single tenant instance, we're making selections on the best infrastructure to run the target workloads and then ordering that infrastructure. The instance's infrastructure can be scaled and modified after the order is placed. We start by going to the VMware as a Service console, clicking Create on the VMware as a Service card. On the VMware as a Service Create page, enter the instance name and select a resource group. Specify the settings for the cluster next. The cluster name, the location for the cluster, the type of bare metal hosts that will be used in the cluster, the number of hosts in that cluster, and then the type and amount of storage that will be used for the cluster. Review the summary and create your new instance. Note that creations will take several hours to complete. Once the VMware as a Service instance is ready, the next step is to create a virtual data center. One or more virtual data centers need to be added to the VMware as a Service instance to define networking and deploy and manage VMware workloads. All vCenter vApps and VMs are supported. In the VMware as a Service console, click Resources VMware as a Service from the left navigation pane. In the VMware as a Service table, click on the instance just created. Click the Infrastructure tab next. In the Virtual Data Centers section, click Add New. On the Virtual Data Centers creation page, specify the resource name and group and the site and cluster names. The site and cluster names are preset based off initiating the new virtual data center from a specific instance, but you can change them right here if needed. Specify the networking edge type, either an efficiency edge or performance edge. Edge storage costs might be incurred for either option. Click Create to submit the VDC order. This action can take around an hour if new networking edges are created. With IBM Cloud's VMware as a Service, all VMware management activities are performed with the VMware Cloud Director console. The Cloud Director console is a simplified combination of functions from vCenter and NSXT, which are both part of the VMware as a Service instance. In the IBM Cloud VMware as a Service console, select and open the virtual data center that was created in the last step. This will open up the details page. On the virtual data center details page, click VMware Cloud Director console to access the console. A new browser tab or window is opened with the login to the VMware Cloud Director console.